Memory with Rexman.
Dobrý. On connaît pas du tout.
I met him 5 years ago. I joined EML in Scottsdale and he hugged me for the first time. And I felt love from him.
Ça, c'est l'émotion. En fait, c'est quelqu'un qui a changé ma vie. Je l'ai estimé comme mon père dès le départ.
He was absolutely unique, so I never met before or after a similar person.
Wow, es una sorpresa que me pregunte, pero siempre vivirá en nuestro corazón y es algo muy grande, muy, muy, muy bonito.
Every time when I visit the home office, Rex always dance with us.
When I was a guest speaker in India, and one young Indian distributor want a picture together with Rex. And she asked, Rex, this young man is your son? And Rex said, yes, his son in this business.
I don't know exactly where we've been, but it was really, really hot outside and humid, and buses came to pick us up from the hotel, and everybody was inside with the AC. What is he doing outside? So Rex, he went outside and he helped the guys on the bus to load our luggage in. He was working for his FBOs and he wanted to make sure that we are on time for our next destination.
O que mais impactava sempre no Rex era a simplicidade dele e o amor que ele tinha por todos nós. O carinho, ele se fazia igual. Todos os lugares que a gente estava, ele estava presente, e onde a gente chegava, ele nos via, ele enxergava as pessoas. De verdade, ele enxergava as pessoas.
Él nos enseñó muchísimas cosas. Una de ellas fue el amor a la gente y eso se nos ha quedado para siempre. Nunca nos decía, denle más duro o hagan más. Siempre nos hacía una pregunta, ¿cómo está tu familia? ¿Eres feliz?
Alors pour moi, c'était... on était au Brésil et en fait, j'allais acheter un bracelet. J'avais pas l'argent parce que José était devant. Et il m'a dit, tu as besoin de quelque chose? Moi, oui, j'ai besoin de $5. Et il m'a dit, attends, je te les prête, tu me les rendras. Et en fait, j'ai acheté mon bracelet. Pour moi, ça a été le meilleur souvenir parce que jamais on fait ça.
Then I have this necklace. So I wear it every day to remember Rex.
He was a good friend, a good leader. He was a genius. The biggest man I have ever met.
Te digo que era un hombre maravilloso porque te hacía sentir en los segundos o 1, 5 o 10 minutos que estuvieras con él, como decir, hey, estás conmigo.
One word, only one word. How would you describe Rex?
Yeah, only one word. It's really deep. Okay, a legend.
Rex was everything for me.
Un homme.
Humain.
He was just about people, you know. He wanted to change people's life.
Love.
Love.
Only love.
Amor.
El amor tan grande que tenía por todos.